Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I would like to talk about some questions asked in the NEET 2019. The questions are related to the cell biology. So let's talk about those questions one by one. First question I would like to talk about is, which of the following pair of organelles does not contain DNA? Options were lysosomes and vacuoles, nuclear envelope and mitochondria, mitochondria and lysosomes, and chloroplast and vacuoles. As we all know, lysosomes and vacuoles is the right answer. Now the next question is, the correct sequence of phases of cell cycle is option 1 synthesis, gap 1, gap 2 and mitotic phase, option 2 gap 1, synthesis, gap 2 and mitotic phase, option 3 mitotic phase, gap 1, gap 2 and synthesis, option 4 is gap 1, gap 2, synthesis phase and mitotic phase. And we must know that cell cycle is like gap 1, synthesis, gap 2 and mitosis, so it is the correct answer. So let's move to the next question. It's the concept of omnicellularly acellular regarding the cell division was proposed by Sheldon, Aristotle, Rudolf Virchow and Theodor Schwann. So the right answer is Rudolf Virchow. Now let's move to the next question. Which of the following statements is not correct? 1. Lysosomes are membrane-bound structures. 2. Lysosomes are formed by the process of packaging in endoplasmic reticulum. 3. Lysosomes have numerous hydrolytic enzymes. Number 4. The hydrolytic enzymes of lysosomes are active under the acidic pH. And we must know lysosomes are made by the packaging of Golgi, not endoplasmic reticulum. So second option is the correct option. Next question is, the shorter and longer arms of submetacentric chromosome are referred to as Q and P arm, M and N arm, S and L arm, and P and Q arm. And P and Q arm is the right answer. Next question is from cell cycle. It's like cells in G0 phase. 1. Suspend the cell cycle. 2. Terminate the cell cycle. 3. Exit the cell cycle. 4. Enter the cell cycle. And we know G0 phase, which is also called as Chiasm stage, in it cells exit the cell cycle. So third option is the correct option. Now the last question. Consider the following statements. A. Coenzyme or metal ion that's tightly bound to enzyme protein is called as prosthetic group. B. A complete catalytic active enzyme with its bound prosthetic group is called apoenzyme. Select the correct option. First, both A and B are false. A is false but B is true is the option number 2. Third option is both A and B are true. And fourth option is A is true but B is false. Now in this case we know that metal ion cannot be considered as prosthetic group. Prosthetic group is always an organic compound. And in B part, or I can say B part of the question, complete catalytic active enzyme is called as holoenzyme, not apoenzyme. So option 1, both A and B are false, is the correct option. So dear students, thank you very much for watching my video. Stay blessed you all.